joke sa Facebook niya.
You're tired? Yan. Cooked.
Sabi, sige siya na, okay?
Ano ba?
Nag-brown na siya. Basig matumba.
Ano mo itong joke sa Facebook niya? Hindi ba dito? Ano lang? Tostado lang. Sunog. Ganyan yung term.
You're tired? So they
what?
all of the chicken. Go.
Dami, apoy. Nabutahan niya kulay. Sige. Mang skuran, pero ito mga giluto, mang.
Yan. Cooked. Now we need to taste.
Yeah, hindi caption eh. Cancel sa ampas ko.
Sabi, sige siya na, okay? Pagka-taste niya siya. And like, nagsabi si Sabrina na.
Nice one.
Kasya.
Sige lang.
Dili kasya.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Maki, it's okay. It's just fireworks. Mas stress ba yan siya pag fireworks? Your work. is from Ireland. That's a product of Ireland. This one is by Marks and Spencer's, London, but the product is made in Italy. Yeah, Lambrusco. And then this one is the Merlot. I think... Yeah, but you can drink that. It's very good. This is from Spain.
Oh, this one's Belgium.
Belgium. Product of Belgium.
Oh, so aesthetic, y'all.
Ikaw matamaan. Here. 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 Uy, itudlo na ko. Wow ka. So we still have pasta. That's good.
Ipangita din yan ni Dia mo pag imang chicken mga napag dito kaya oh, that's fine.
Yes! Sabi niya.
Ayan.
May mga paang-paang na si Mamo Nini yan. Thank you, Mamo.
Ako nga 50 and ano. Mawalit ang binigay.
Ano? Asa si ating? Okay, mag-performance pa daw niya. Okay, first, we will call, roll call. Zoe! Uy, hindi to as big as Mamo Nini, ah. Because Mamo Nini is rich. I'm just poor. For you, Zoe. Zia Bell. For Zia Bell. Ang nawang ni Zia. Zia Bell. For you. Tapos, Kara.
Can I open it?
Kurt.
Can I open it?
Oh, baka ma-disappoint kayo. Naunahan ako ni Mamo Nini. Nika and Alexa, the same lang kayo lalagyan. Naalan niya. Aiki. Okay, magdula na ta. Play tayo. Okay. No. Zoe, dito ka. First game muna bago ta mag-dinner. Sige, Zia dito.
Star sa inyong naman.
Gusto lang na mo mag-start.
Kami.
Jan, Kara. Alexa. Oy, Anika, mas gamay ka. Kaluoy, dili na siya by age, by height na ito. Oh, Alexa. Harapan ka ni tita, ni ate. Ayan. Okay, ready? Ready, ano ang game? Ano lang, yes, no. Ready pa? Diri ang yes. Remember lang, yes. Tapos diri no. Ready? Sabay jud ang baka. Ready? Yes? Ano sa ana? Okay. Nawan ninyo kung kinsa ang mapildi. Mag-out dayo na.
Yes.
Woo!
Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No.
Alexa. Ready.
No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No.
May ate. Ang mga maas man yan nabili.
Nangangailangan.
Ready?
Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Doon na lang. Ready?
Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes.
No. Sino manalo?
No. 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 Yes. No. No.
Sige, Paji.
Okay. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No, no. Yes. Yes. No. No.
Oh, panalo si Kuya! Ano? Mag-pray sa mo.
Thank you for this day. As we celebrate Christmas, Lord, I hope na ma-enjoy na mo. And thank you sa life na mong gihatag sa mo out throughout the...
Oh,
Lang lang.
non-alcoholic yung for you.
Ay, saan ko lang mo?
Yung sip-sip lang pa na ba? Try lang. Yes, pero baka kasi alcohol.
Ang game kay i-arrange mo. Kung saan ang matama, bigyan ka ng coin. Okay? Bigyan ka ng cash.
Okay.
Coin or paper. Si ano siguro magkuha ng gift? Si Mami. Mami, ikaw maghatag.
I'm gonna open here.
Okay, ayun sa akin muna. Open! 1, 2, 3! Open! Woo! The mushroom! Zoe, I think it's too big. Mag-share tayo. Sige, abriha, abriha!
I don't know how to open it. Yeah, this is right. I knew it. I knew it from the
Mushroom hatik po yan.
Yeah, look at this. I got another one.
Ah! Isunod lang dito, Ching. Ibalik, ibalik. Para dili mo makatag. For the melon chick lang doon ilaha. Oy. Wow!
Your mushroom.
Wow! Kunin daw ni Lola yung lalagyan. Sige ka na.
At least may madala ko sa school, kuya.
Zoe, open it! Ah!
Ano yun, baby? Ano?
Wow!
Nahirapan ako, guys.
Open your gifts, darling. Wow, dami naman. Wow! Bea, show me, show me, show me! Show me! Wow. Show me! Show me! Ano yan? Wow! Bibo, tingin. Let me see, Zoe, maybe that's for me. Naawayon dyan ako si Zoe. Go, ate. Regine, you have so many gifts, Regine. Ala, nagbagay sa outfit mo.
Kuya, may nilagyan niya pa, kuya.
It's still from Mario.
Ah, ibutang sa paper bag. Ibutang sa paper bag, darling.
Wait, Papa, where's mine?
Uy, ang gift ni Daddy sa'yo, show mo, Koy.
I've been using them already.
Oo nga. Wow.
Wow!
Well, thank you, everybody. Ah, ang sapatos na to, dress taring.
I used to hear a simple song that was until you came along. Ribbon in her hair.